Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide apps on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Before you can hide an application or hide multiple applications on your iPhone, you need to make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS 18 at least. So if your iPhone is on iOS 18 or iOS 26, then you'll be able to hide your application. To do this, just go to General and click on Software Update. As you can see, I have iOS 26. Now, to hide an application on your iPhone, locate the application you want to hide. Press and hold it. Then you want to go ahead and click on Require Face ID and Passcode or Require Passcode. Then select Hide and Require Passcode. Go ahead and type in your passcode or confirm your Face ID. On the spot that says Hide App, go ahead and click on Hide App. Then you should see the application removed. Now, to access this application, you want to go back to the app library. Scroll down, you should see hidden folder at the bottom right. Press and hold it as well. Click on it. Confirm your Face ID or passcode. Now, you should see your hidden application. To hide the application, press and hold it. Click on Don't Require Passcode or Face ID and then type in your passcode. Now, you should see the application removed. Then, if you come back to the library and you search for the application, then the application will be available. You see that? And then you can now drag it or add to home screen, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to hide apps on iPhone. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.